Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to delete all emails at once on Outlook. But as always, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel. And don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, first thing first, here I'm gonna open my Outlook apps on my phone. Here you are. At first, you'll deserve this page, and here are the emails. If you wanna delete this at once, you just have press and hold the email here, and at the top here you will see select all option. Just tap on it until there are checklists in the square like that. After that, at the bottom here you will see the trash button. Just go ahead now, tap on it. In this pop-up, just want to make sure that you want to delete your emails or not. But if you change your mind, you just have to tap on cancel button here. But if you're sure you want to delete all, just tap on the delete here. I'm gonna tap on it, and yeah, now your email is already gone. So guys, just it. I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.